An electric kettle has two heating coils. When one of the coils is connected to an AC source, the water in the kettle boils in 10 minutes. When the other coil is used, the water boils in 14 minutes. If both the coils are connected in parallel, the time taken by the same quantity of the water to boil will be 1 upon T is equal to 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T2. Take the value of T1 and T2, 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 40. Now LCM of 10 and 40 is 40. 10 times 4 is equal to 40 and 40 multiplied by 1 is 40. Now multiply by numerator. 4 into 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 by 40. Now divided 40 by 5. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Now reciprocal this equation. T is equal to 8 minutes is our answer.